everyone. Welcome to our February Hoop Studio unboxing. Today is a great day because we are celebrating our first anniversary in Hoop Studio. And as a special guest, I have today Cali with me. So Cali, just tell everyone what you do at Kimberbell and we will then talk a little bit about Hoop Studio.
Sounds good. I do the customer care for Kimberbell and Me Time, mostly Me Time. So if you call, you're calling me. And Hoop Studio actually started the month that I started. So
that's awesome.
I feel a little bond with Hoop Studio.
It's also your 1 year anniversary then.
That's true. Mm-hmm.
That's so awesome. Thank you, Cali.
Yeah.
Cali does an amazing job and we're so happy to have her in the team. So, Cali, you then have seen Hoop Studio since the beginning.
Yes.
And as we see, we started and we have done so many different types of projects, from bags to kitchen to seasonal, organizational stuff.
Yeah, all kinds of. Yes, all kinds.
Yeah. So what has been your favorite project?
Honestly, I love the Ellie bag, and I see that everyone loved the Ellie bag.
Yes.
So I like that we had that second kind of option too with that those other colors.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed the Sydney passport project.
Oh, nice.
The amount of people that were kind of giving their own twist to it and making them for family gifts was really cool to see. So those were my two favorites, I would say.
That's a great choice. Yeah, I actually really like seeing how people were very creative and chose different designs to put on their passports, and those were really great projects. I actually really like I'm someone that likes very functional items too, so I love the bag like everyone else.
You got it.
But I also really like the piece nesting bowls and the Halloween houses.
Oh, the Halloween houses went crazy.
Yes, yes.
People love that.
And I'm excited because that is a collection. So in 2025, we're going to have some other fun Halloween houses coming too.
I love that. Okay.
So, Cali, because the Ellie bag was so popular, we decided we have to put a bag in 2025.
Yes, I agree.
So this month's Hoop Studio is called Violet's Everyday Bag. And you're going to be able to create an amazing bag, and you will get all of your materials as usual, from project batting to the hardware and the fabrics in your box this month. So let's go take a look what you will get this month, and then we can just talk about more details.
Sounds good.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so this month you are going to open, of course, your kit, and thank you. You're gonna get your full color step-by-step instructions featuring our 6x10 design and your content card where you can find all of the different information of the materials that you will need for that month.
The colors are so cute.
Yes, the colors are beautiful. And thank you for actually talking about it, because this kind of like purpley color is one of the colors of the year. So people are going to be very on trend with this bag.
That's cute.
So what is something that always goes well with any combination of colors? It's denim, right? Denim. So we love our fabrics for this month. We have some Maywood fabrics, some Robert Kaufman denim, and look at this beautiful floral pattern. This pattern is directional and it's from Art Gallery, and it just brings in together the blues from the denim and from the fabric that will be used in the lining.
Yeah, that's perfect.
And look how perfectly it matched the zipper.
Oh my gosh. Yes, that's adorable.
Yeah.
I love that.
I
love purple.
Purple is a beautiful color. And then you will also get your project batting in order to create the layers on your pouch. And we upgraded our straps, and you will get these beautiful leather straps to put on your purse. And you will get your hardware, which has buttons, it has a ladder buckle, it has an elastic.
I like this gold.
Yes, thank you for noticing. This gold is like a matte gold material.
Yeah.
And this button is also a very high quality metallic gold button. All of the hardware just goes together very well. And you also get a little charm to put later on your zipper pull.
Oh, on the zipper.
Yep.
That's cute.
It's very cute. So this is what you get in the box for this month. But let's take a look now at what you actually make. You guys, you're gonna love this. So something that we kept reading on the comments and that we saw that people were doing was that they were adding a pocket on their Ellie bags. So we were like, that is what we have to do for the next bag. So let's go take a look at what people will be able to make on their little bag. So yeah, here's the bag.
Oh, I love it. And I love this charm right here.
Yes, the little charm just kind of elevates the whole purse. And I'm going to move this real quick so that we can take a better look at the finished product and move that up. There. Perfect. So, yeah, it will feature these 3 fabrics, right? Mm-hmm. And on the inside, we have the other Maywood fabric. Okay. So, what I really like about this bag is that it's quilted on the front here, the top above the zipper. The back is also denim. The denim is also quilted, and I'll let you open the pocket.
Yes, this cute little thing here.
Yes, the pocket has a flap that is also quilted. And
yes, okay. And it it could fit my phone.
Yeah, let's actually test it real quick. I have my phone here, and you can fit a phone.
That's perfect.
Isn't that so cute?
That is so cute. So I know that I need that because my either wallet or my phone does fall out of my purse. So this would be perfect if it was just easily to get without going inside of the bag itself.
Exactly. And what's nice is that because it has a flap, it just keeps it all inside and secure. And then you can just open it easily with the elastic that also comes in your kit. Mm-hmm. And you can then take it out. So
perfect.
It's a very nice bag. I actually really also like these leather straps. It just elevates the whole project much more. Mm-hmm. And it comes also in a 5x7 size. My phone also fits in this one. So that's really nice. And yeah, it just works the same way.
I love that. I like that there's the 2 different sizes because there are those big phones now that wouldn't even fit in this one. So I like that there's the two different options that we have here. Very cute.
Exactly. Yeah. Thank you so much. And I know that you were a big fan of Violet's everyday bag.
I was. Yes. Yeah. As soon as I saw this, I knew I had to either get it, try it anyway. And I love the bag. So. Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, we're very, very excited about this month's Hoop Studio project. And we are just happy to celebrate our first anniversary. Hoop Studio has been an amazing project. The community has shared amazing things on Facebook, from also showing how creative they have been with the changes that they have made to the projects. And we will finish. But first, of course, we have a fun question for you to enter our giveaway. So this month, we are giving away a new product for Hoop Studio. You know that there's a perfectly pieced binder, and people have been asking about a Hoop Studio binder. Well, we have our Hoop Studio binder now.
Oh my gosh. People are going to be so excited about that. They love this blue. This
blue is, yes, this beautiful blue matches our Hoop Studio brand. And you will be able to win one of these binders. And we're also going to give away tape, Kimberbell tape, because you can never have enough Kimberbell tape.
Exactly.
If you're like me and tape everything, then yeah, you're going to want the tape as well.
That's me too.
So to enter, just leave a comment below on our social media and answer the following question. Of 2024, which project was your favorite Hoop Studio project and why? Just let us know. We would love to know your feedback. And yeah, we're excited, and we're excited to see what people also post in the community. So with that, just go and enjoy some well-deserved me time.
I love that.